Hopefully this is the Orlando background you were hoping for, but I'm just kidding. Forget about the shirt, forget about the background, forget about my voice, about everything being unprofessional. We'll get back to that in the next video. But we have to talk about how Apple had a little educational keynote on Tuesday where the rumors were they were going to release a budget-friendly iPad to schools. It turns out those rumors are true, and we kind of all saw that this iPad was coming, especially with the rumors even ahead before the invitation, and the invitation kind of just gave it away with this little Apple logo drawn in a stylus, hinting at some type of iPad with the stylus. Sadly, that was the only thing Apple released at the little educational events. No iPhone SE2, no cheaper MacBook Air, no iPhone X Blush Gold. So we're not going to see iPhone X Blush Gold. So after all the rumors and all the videos of me talking about an iPhone X Blush Gold, we're just not going to see it because we're coming up on the next iPhones yet again, whether that be the iPhone X Plus, iPhone 9, whatever they call it, or just maybe they're finally going to call it iPhone. But the new iPad starts at $329 for the regular consumer and starts at $300 for all the schools. The new iPad has the brand new A10 Fusion chip. I mean, it's not brand new, it's just like an upgraded model since the A9, which I was hoping for in my last video when I was talking about the rumors for this new iPad. I just said this iPad will be great if it has the stylus support and the A10 Fusion chip, and that's all they did with this iPad. They just upgraded the processor and allowed the Apple Pencil to work with the brand new iPad, partly due to the A10 Fusion chip, I'm guessing. So if you really want the whole experience of an iPad, you could get the Apple Pencil for $100 or $90 if you're a school, and just get the budget-friendly iPad at $329, and that will come out to $429, which is a pretty good price considering that the iPhone X is $1,000 and the iPad is a 9.7-inch display, and the speakers are there, and everything is practically there except for the camera. And if you want an even cheaper version than that $429 combo of the cheap new $329 iPad and the Apple Pencil for $100, a company made a software pencil that is only $50 compared to the $100 Apple Pencil. I mean, I don't really know if you want to go for the cheaper version. I think that might be a better idea. You're saving $50 there versus the $100 Apple Pencil when the iPad is already $329. Just think about that. The Apple Pencil is 30% of the price. That's a lot. But that's all that Apple announced on the educational event. I really don't think that these brand new iPads, just at $329 or $300 for school, is that going to make a big difference in the educational market? I was kind of expecting $250 so Apple could get less of a profit margin, since they really don't need the profits from the iPads, but still they're going to price at $300 to still get those profits. So I don't think iPads are going to beat out Chromebooks back in the schools. That's my opinion. We'll have to see in the future if anything changes. I'd love your opinion about the budget-friendly iPad in the comment section below, and while you're doing that, make sure you like the video and hit that bell icon to stay notified whenever I post a video. And trust me, I'm going to get out of this Orlando setting in the next video, and I'll be way more professional.